is Joshy Chittilappilly. I am a first year undergraduate student of IITKGP. I am in the section 15 and my roll number is 21EC10023. I am making this video as a part of the DIY laboratory assignment for the CAD, and here I am making a jet and I hope you enjoy the video. This is the jet I built. As you can see, this jet consists of a lot of parts. The cockpit and the body are made of ellipsoids, simple ellipsoids, and the bottom of the jet is a B-spline curve. It's a B-spline curve, and I padded it till here, and I used a 45-degree chamfer and a pocket. This is the chamfer tool and the pocket tool, and I filleted it using this tool just for the looks. And the next part is the boosters. Boosters consist of two cylinders which I made using this tool, and the small cylinder I made it a thick solid using the thick solid tool, hollow using the thick solid tool, and combined it. The next things are the tail, the wings. The top tail and the bottom tail are the sketches. I padded like 1 millimeters, and I chamfered the places where it cuts the air. When going front, where it cuts the air, chamfered the places and filleted the behind. And while making these things, I used a polyline tool. What I did was I used a lot of these line tools and I combined them using the coincident constraint. Instead of that, using a polyline tool was much more efficient, much more better than using. I saved a lot of time using that. Then what I did was, after the next part is behind the jet, the tail body of the jet. And for that, I created two sketches, a quadrilateral and a curve, as you can see near the wings. And I used this additive loft to create a loft of the two sketches at two different planes to make this tail body. And that are all the parts. After making the parts, I used the union operation to get a fusion of all these things. And I've only built the right part of the ship just for the easiness. I built the right part of the ship. For the left part of the ship, I used this mirror tool. It was really small and I scaled it so that the ends of and then back of the ship would be like up to 15 centimeters. And yeah, that's the ship. Now what we need to do is we need to export this in an STL mesh. I'm going to save it. Next, I need to open this in Cura software to convert it to the G code. This is the jet. I gave quality 0.1, the thickness is 1 millimeter, the infill density is 100, the material temperature is 280 as given in the video. The speed is not supposed to be greater than 60, so I given it 60 millimeter per second. And I added supports to it so that the jet wings are the air, so I added support to it. And I'm going to slice this. And yeah, we have the slice preview. It takes 7 hours and 3 minutes for this. And yeah, I'm going to save this to the disk as a G code. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so for taking the patience. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you all.